everyone. We've got some quite fun activities this morning that we're doing. In just a minute, we'll be doing some different activities in year 2, looking at arrays, and we're going to be doing that with Lego and with Kinect 4. And then Gabriel's going to do some dumper truck counting, looking at different numbers and counting the correct amount. So we'll have a look at what Gabriel's doing in just a little while, but we'll have a look at Noah's activity first. Do you want to go and play with the dumper truck? Yeah, but leave the numbers where they are. Right, so Noah, we're going to be looking at arrays. So if I just turn the camera around so that people can see what we've got. So we have got some Lego out today. Now, an array is a visual representation that we use to help children work out multiplication facts. I've used some different Lego pieces. You'll notice that they're all rectangles that we're using, and these are going to help Noah today work out the answers to some of the facts, and he's going to write them down on some post-its. Then we'll have a little look at the Kinect 4 game that we've got over here. So Noah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? So let's have a look at this one here, Noah, this piece of Lego.
Yeah.
How many have we got all together on this piece of Lego? How many bumps are on that piece of Lego?
So we've got 2 here.
Let's count them all. How many have we got all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There's 8 all together, isn't there? Okay. How many are in a row? How many are in a row?
The 2 and...
There's 2 in a row, isn't there? How many?
4 in a row.
There's 4 in a row as well. So we've got 2 in the row and we've got 4 rows. We have 4 lots of... Listen.
2.
Good boy. 4 lots of 2. How would we write that down, Noah? How would we write that down on your post-its?
So we would write it like...
Good boy. And what does that equal? Good. Now, let's have another look at this piece of Lego. If I turn it around, how many is there in a row now?
4.
There's 4. And how many rows do I have?
2.
So this time I have 2
Yeah.
lots of...
4.
How would I write that down? And what answer does that give us? Oh, bless you. What answer does that give us?
8.
It gives us 8. It gives us the same answer, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Does it matter which way around we have our array?
No.
Does it matter which way around we put the numbers in the calculation of a times table?
No.
No, and that's our commutativity. It doesn't matter in multiplication which way around they go, they will still give the same answer. Let's have a look at this one now, Noah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take your post-it. I'm going to put it on there next to that one. Let's have a look at this one. How many are there in a row on this one?
10.
There are 10 going across, aren't there? How many rows of 10 do I have?
4.
So I have...
4 rows of 10.
Good boy. 4 lots of 10. How would I write that in a multiplication? Well done. And what would that give us? Can you squeeze it on? Oh, just.
Yeah.
If I turn this one around, so it's now this way, how many have I got in a row now?
We've got 4.
4. And how many rows have I got?
10.
10. So this time, what would my number sentence look like? 40. It does say 40, even though it looks a little bit strange.
Yeah.
You nearly ran out of room, didn't you? So we'll put it on there. So that one we've turned around as well. What about this one, Noah? If I was going to write this one as a number sentence, this array, what would it be?
4 lots of 4.
4 lots of 4. What happens if I turn this one around?
It's the same.
It's the same. It's still going to be 4 lots of 4. Why is that, Noah?
Because, like, squares, they're like the same somehow, because when you put them like
they're the same all the way around, aren't they? Each side is the same length. So when you have an array that's a square, it's going to be the same either way around. You're not going to be able to change the numbers around because the numbers are the same. Are there any other arrays on here that are going to work like that one? That one's a square as well, isn't it? Good boy, well done. Right, we're going to have a look at the Kinect 4 now, and this is going to be you creating arrays. So just put your lid on your pen.
Okay.
And we'll bring it over here. So we're going to have a look at this one first. We've got 3 lots of 2.
Yeah.
Using the Kinect 4, I want you to create this array. So how many are you going to have in each row, Noah?
So 2. I'm going to do 2 and do it 3 times.
That's right. Good boy. Go on then.
I'm just doing this so it can get it easier.
Okay. You put them in then where they need to go. Fabulous. So there we have our array, don't we? And what's our answer for that one? Shall we count how many we've got? We could count in 2s, can't we?
6.
We've got 6 altogether, haven't we? Good boy. On this side now, using the red ones, can you create this array for me?
Yeah.
Gabriel, do you want to come and get ready over here? Because we're going to have a look at what you're doing in a minute.
I think this might be enough.
Okay, so start it from that side. So how many do we have in a row, Noah?
3.
3. Keep going.
I think I was a bit wrong. That was not enough. Well, all I need to get is 2 more or 3, don't I?
Gabriel, come round here, please. I know, but you need to be where it says start. Good boy. So we have 4 lots of
3.
3. Well done. I would like you now, Noah, using the whiteboard over there. Can you create arrays for the rest? Can you create the number sentences for the rest of the arrays on
write
the
them
Lego?
down on here.
No, do them on the whiteboard. Yeah, okay. Right, Gabriel, come over here because I need to show what you're doing today because you're doing dumper truck counting.
Yeah.
Yep, so you come over here. So we've got our little car mat out and on it I've written some numbers. Now you'll notice that the numbers are all in different ways. This is making sure that Gabriel can recognise them, even if they're not the right way up. It's just helping with that recognition. And we've got a starting point, some pasta and a dumper truck. Now you could do this with number cards or a dice and have your child finding the number they're going to go with first. I'm just going to pick some out to begin with so that Gabriel can count them. So Gabriel, are you ready?
Yeah.
So this is what you're going to do. I'm going to tell you a number and you're going to have to count that many pieces of pasta into your dumper truck.
And drive it.
And then you're going to have to drive it on the road. So you're going to have to find a route to your number. Okay? Yeah? So I would like you to put into your dumper truck 5 pieces of pasta.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good boy. Now you can only drive on the roads to number 5. Where is number 5 on here?
There.
It's over there, isn't it? Good. So you can only go on the roads. Can you drive your dumper truck to the number 5? Off you go. So this is also looking at hand-eye coordination as well. Gabriel's having to stay on the roads as he drives his dumper truck. That's it. So make sure you get to number 5. Have you got there? Yeah. Dump out the pasta onto number 5. Dump it out. Good boy. Well done. Okay, do you want to pass me the number truck back? Right, this time I want you to put in 8 pieces of pasta. 8 pieces of pasta. 2, 3. Now to extend this, you could also look at totals of the numbers. So we're putting number sentence, creating number sentences and adding them up. You don't have to use pasta. You could use any small things or any toy that moves that you can put things onto. This is also a nice one to do outside as well.
Mum, I got 8.
You've got 8. Excellent. Where is the number 8?
Right over there.
Right over there. Go on then. Drive over to it. And off you go. And this is something that Gabriel could even do independently on his own. Can you get all the way over to number 8? Good boy. And can you... Oh, we've got the reversing noise. Excellent. And dump it onto number 8. Good boy. Brilliant. Do you want to come back? Right, so those are our activities for today. If you check out our timetable over on classroomsecrets.co.uk, you'll find loads more practical ideas and resources. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you tomorrow. Boys, are you going to come and say bye? Bye. Bye.